Hi, my name is Amar. Now in this video I will show you how to show bottom sheet by using the GetX library. Okay. Now here, as you can see here, I have already created the project. I have imported the two packages material.dart and get.dart. This get.dart I am using to use the functionalities provided by the GetX library. Okay. Now in the main method, in the run app, I am running a widget named as my app. This my app is extending the stateless widget. In the build method, I am returning get material app. In the title, I have specified dialog. Instead of dialog, what we will do, we will change it to bottom sheet. Now in the home, I have used a scaffold widget. In the app bar, in the title, I have specified bottom sheet. In the body, I have taken a center widget. Now in the center widget, as a child, I have taken a column widget, and as a children of the column widget, I have taken a raised button having the text as bottom sheet. Okay, up to this, if I run the project, then we will get a button like this. Okay, now what I want is that whenever I will click on the button, at that time bottom sheet will be shown to us, and to do that, GetX library provides a method which is called as bottom sheet. As you can see here, I have written get.bottom sheet, and in the bottom sheet method, we need to specify what will be shown in the bottom sheet. And to do that, here I have used the container widget. In the container widget, as a child, I have taken a wrap widget. Now in the wrap widget, as a children, I have taken a widget named as list style. In the leading, I have specified a icon, and in the title, I have specified light theme. And what will happen whenever I will click on this list style, for that I have used the on tap attribute. Similarly, I have taken another list style with a leading icon like this with the title dark theme, and it has also on tap attribute. Okay, up to this, if I execute it, then we can see whenever I click here, at that time, see the bottom sheet has been generated with the text light theme and dark theme. Okay, now what I want is that whenever I will click here on the light theme or on the dark theme, correspondingly the theme will be changed. Means whenever I am clicking on the light theme, then the light theme will be applied. If I click on the dark theme, then we will apply the dark theme. This we can do very easily with the help of Get library. Let me show you. Now for this list style, whenever I will click here, at that time I will use get dot. It provides a method which is called as change theme, and here I will write theme data dot light. That's it. Okay. Now whenever I will click here, at that time this theme will be applied. Similarly, for the dark one, here again I will use the same method, get dot change theme. After that I will write theme data dot dark. Okay, up to this, if I save it, now if I run it once again, click here, now click on dark theme, then you will see dark theme has been applied. Similarly, if I click on light theme, then the light theme has applied. Okay, this is how we can change the theme dynamically with the help of GetX library so easily. Okay, now I will discuss few more properties of this bottom sheet. Okay, now here you can see it has a property which is called as barrier color. Now here, if you notice, if I click in this bottom sheet, at that time this background color has been changed. If you want to change this background color, then we has a property which is called as barrier color. Here I have specified the color as green accent. Let me save this. Now if I execute it once again, then you can see the barrier color has been changed to light accent green. You can specify the color as per your choice. Okay. Now similarly, if you want to change the background color of the bottom sheet, then we has a property which is called as background color. Let me save this. Now if I run it once again, then you will see the background color has been changed to purple. Okay. Now similarly, it has a property is dismissible. It means what? If I click here, then you can see that the dialog is bottom sheet is closed actually, right? But if you don't want to close the bottom sheet, whenever click outside, at that time you can make is dismissible as false. Okay, by default it is true. If you make it false, then clicking outside will not close the bottom sheet. Okay, Now it has another property which is called as shape. Means if you want to customize the bottom sheet, For that we can use the shape attribute. Let me uncomment this. Here what I have done in the shape, I have used a rounded rectangle border with a border radius of circular as 10, and in the side I have used border side having the color as white. In the style I have specified border style dot solid and the border width is 2.0. okay, if I save this, now if I run it once again, then you can see this rounded rectangle border has been applied to the bottom sheet with border color as white and the border width as 2. okay, now here you can see it is possible to drag this bottom sheet. okay, I can drag the bottom sheet, but if you want to disable the drag of the bottom sheet, then what you can do, in the enable drag property you can make it false. By default it is true. okay, if I save this, now if I run this, now if I want to drag, now see it is not draggable. But if I comment this, if I save this, if I run it once again, then you can see it is possible to drag. This means the default value of this enable drag is true. This is how we can show the bottom sheet and we can change the theme dynamically with the help of GetX library. This is the entire code. I hope you have liked my video. If you have liked my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.